Hello everyone. Here is my team project, my team virtual beings project. Our project name is Project Recycle. Here the we have made the bulk code generator. Later, Paytm configuration has been also done in the code, and the sign in with Sava Labs. So first of all, this is our home page, which is made using React. So we have used your login. We have done. We have I pressed the option login. This is Sava Labs is used on live server extension. So I've using the this URL in this that. Um, I will use the mailinator mail for my work for my email ID. So my mail ID will not get spammed. OTP has been sent to has been sent to the Mailinator website. This is a website where you can spam mails like for using these APIs. Like you don't have to spam your own Gmail, or you can use this as many mails. So here is our dashboard. Here I will generate my code. Uh, I will generate my code through this. Um, Now I will start the backend server. This is my code layout. I have used the virtual VS Code IDE. So here I will call the request like I want 3 tokens, and their expiry dates will be like 12, 11, 11. I will using the generate code. Here I'm not getting anything because due to some time issues I am not able to create the get page. Uh, but like I can show you that that the API has been called here. Like in the Postman, I can show you like how the APIs will be called. The Postman is you calling APIs and testing our APIs. Like I create uh, body. Like I want 3 and the expire date like 11 that we are using already. Like the code has been created, the 3 tokens which I'm using here, the 3 tokens has been created on that. Expired date is also been set, and also been set. Okay, and also we can get the API here. I have made the uh, controller for getting. We only can't able to make the page of that API. So sorry, I've used the post API. I have to get the API. Like I can get all the APIs I want here. Okay. Also, I've my friend we have set the Paytm server. We have don't have the Paytm credentials. We don't have the Paytm credentials, so we can't able to show you that. As we can't have the Paytm credentials that require the merchant ID, and we don't make the projects. We don't have the merchant ID as like we are not selling it. We are not able can't able to put the credentials. and his credentials can be get through the server ID. IDs. ID. Like our as in our presentation we have said, we are mainly focused on three things: sign in, which I will showing you using my Mailinator and the using the Savolab API. Bulk code I've show you in there, and it is also saved in the Mongo server. Like I'm saving this all the bulk codes in here. Recycle, the bulk code has been going here to saving like all the data I have saving here. Like the recently code I made, the three code token required, all the three tokens I can get here if I want to check or confirm anything. And like Paytm configuration, I've also set. My team has also set the Paytm configuration here, like Paytm controller. It has been set completely, but don't have the merchant ID. As I said earlier, we don't have the merchant ID. If we have merchant ID, we can also show you how you can buy the bulk codes. Okay. And like we also store the all the user data in API also. We also store, we also are also storing all the user data in the Mongo server. Okay, my team, the whole the whole front end works goes to my two friends. So my whole front end and back end works goes to my team. Lakshay mainly done the front end. Me, Nishant, mainly done the bulk codes generator and some setting the API. Saurabh managing all the work. Akash making the sign in functions and helping in other things.